This is why your Pinterest is not growing. Here are the 4 reasons that I'm gonna explain and give you the solution for. So number 1 is, so your profile is not SEO optimized. So what you can do is, number 1, create the business account, and if you already have your business account, number 2 is include the SEO keywords. For example, you are an Instagram coach. Now think of like what your dream clients will be searching for or using any kind of keywords. So they will be searching for how to gain more followers on Instagram, how to target their brands or businesses through Instagram, or how to use hashtags, everything related to Instagram. So you have to strategically use same keywords that your clients, your dream clients are searching for, and keep it in your profile name, in your bio, in your board name, descriptions, pin title, pin description, all text before posting. So whenever your targeted audiences will search for how to get more followers, how to target audiences through Instagram, your profile, your pin's gonna show up to them, and that's how you are going to get more visibility, that's how you are going to target more audiences, and that's how you are going to get more sales. So number 2 is you are really inconsistent. So you post once a week, or you post 1 or twice per month, and that's not how it's gonna work on Pinterest. So you have to post at least 2 to 3 or 3 to 5 pins per day, and that's how you're gonna get more views and traffics. You need to have long form contents as well, so that it gonna like make your brand stand out and make your audiences to trust you as a brand. If you have any sort of longer form contents on YouTube or podcast or blogs, then you can post at least twice or thrice per week and make a very strong vertical unique pin designs for Pinterest, and you can just simply copy and paste the URL of your longer forms, and that's how you're gonna post it on your Pinterest, and just be consistent. Number 3 is you are being very salesy. So you only talk about your product, services, and your product. So these days people are really smart. They are not here to only buy your products and services. They are here to entertain themselves, to educate themselves, or to solve their problems. So you need to provide value and just get their trust to your brand, so that if they trust your brand, they're gonna eventually buy your products. If you lose the trust from audiences, it's really hard for you to gain back again, and they're gonna run away. So that always have 3 things in your mind while creating contents, whether it's educational, empathizing, or entertaining for your audience. And never try to trick Pinterest or your users, because just by providing infographics, and when they click it gonna direct to the products. I have seen a lot of these mistakes, so do not try this kind of experiment on your brand or business, because Pinterest gonna call you out for being spammy, and they're gonna probably ban your profile as well. Number 4 is you are not experimenting enough. So there are different kinds of pins right now, like the carousel, single pins, video pins. There are also reach pins, idea pins. Like you can play a lot. You can even make infographics for your longer form content or short form contents. Just experiment and provide valuable and provide authentic contents which are not yet published on Pinterest. So that's how Pinterest gonna push your contents to wider audiences, and it will also excite your already followed audiences. And there are also other features like stickers, GIF, text. Like you can just utilize every features that is providing by Pinterest itself, and that's how you can leverage your Pinterest and the organic traffic. You're gonna get a lot of impressions through by just experimenting with your contents, and you will have a better idea what your audience's likes and dislikes are. So yeah, these are the 4 mistakes that you guys might be doing right now that is making your growth very slow on Pinterest.